Oh shit! Good call, good call.
We reported the avalanche because one is the responsible thing to do, as well as it being in a high visible area.
Fuck, dude, that's what I was worried about.
I never would have expected this to go to criminal charges, because I didn't feel as though there was any criminal activity going on. It says that charge reckless endangerment. So it's a class 3 misdemeanor with $168,000 in restitution.
The charge is of a reckless endangerment. And right, I can certainly indicate that based upon our review of the case and our review of the facts, that it is an appropriate charge to be brought on behalf of the people of not only the state of Colorado, but specifically of Summit County. Whether or not the outcome of this case is a guilty verdict or is a not guilty verdict is not going to have 1 ounce of bearing on whether or not an individual decides to report an avalanche if they know of it, if they see it, if they set it off.
It just has deleterious effects throughout. Less people will report avalanches because they say, hey, if you report this avalanche, next thing you know, we could be coming after the Summit County prosecutor could be coming after you. So it has an absolute chilling effect. And I think
sharing information is a really important part of backcountry recreation. We certainly don't try to do anything but encourage that.
My split board, this is the board that I've been riding for the last 2 seasons now. This is my avalanche transceiver, avalanche beacon. You turn it. My guess is that if I was convicted of this crime, that I would probably be paying this price off for the rest of my life.